Chicken butt. Ah! Chicken butt.
No, chicken butt. What are we doing right now?
Watching the campfire.
And the full moon is rising over the club. Look at that. Look at that big moon. Wow. How cool. Great night, huh? Yeah. Good fire. Well, we had a fun summer, huh? How many times did we go camping?
200 and 800.
What? No. How many? Like 25?
Nah, 200 and 800.
I think we went at least 25 times. We camped out 25 times, but we probably came 8 times and stayed 2 to 3 days each.
So
right?
Please stand by or ask the director for
Hey, you
help.
want to do s'mores later?
Yes!
Yeah, you like s'mores. Oh, wow. I got a fire now.
You need a lot of campers.
What are you doing?
A lot of campers.
No, we're good. All right. Bye. S'more time.
It's not more time. It's French fry time.
French fry time.